I'm David Rajan, CEO of Opteran, a brain biomimicry company. Autonomy today is being addressed by human software engineers doing sophisticated pattern matching on large data sets. It's a brute force approach that requires huge compute clusters and ever more complex data. If you sit in your garden and you watch the birds and insects, you can see that nature has already solved autonomy. At Opteran, we decided to understand how nature had done this by looking at the brain of a honeybee, with only 1 million neurons and the size of a pinhead, yet capable of complex navigation over a 10-kilometre radius. The outcome is that we have re-engineered nature's algorithms on a silicon chip to enable machines to move like they do in nature. We call this natural intelligence. Our technology stack re-engineers the function of different parts of the brain. Starting with the compound eye, Opteran C is a simple visual-only system that creates 360 degrees of stabilised vision using only low-cost, standard CMOS cameras. Then the visual system provides optic flow in Opteran Sense, extracting motion from the world to see objects, their state and avoid collisions. Next, the central complex provides localisation and mapping with Opteran Direct. This is a new type of SLAM that does not use feature extraction. Instead, it creates a mental map of linked spaces and navigates between them, like a real brain does. Opteran Track creates object persistence to enable accurate object detection and classification on the edge. Finally, we have Opteran Decide coming, which applies how the mushroom bodies in a honeybee brain approach decision making. We are able to deploy autonomy onto GPU, FPGA and even ASIC, where today others are only just starting to deploy SLAM on a CPU. Our autonomous vision-only solutions work like a real brain, not deep learning, pioneering a paradigm shift in autonomy for the material and fast-growing markets of industrial, commercial and consumer robotics, as well as autonomous vehicles. It is vision and edge only. It is small, lightweight and ultra-low powered. It does not require a network, nor petabytes of data stored in enormous power-hungry data centers, nor does it require training. It is a white box that is transparent and verifiable with regulators. We have created the Opteran Development Kit and are partnering directly with robot manufacturers to first deliver proof-of-concept projects that solve hard autonomy problems. And then we design into products. And lastly, scale as products sell with an embedded annuity model. We are working with companies building cobots, cleaning, security, mining robots, running on wheels, tracks and legs. Companies building surveillance and inspection drones, and companies creating intelligent sensors. We have put together a world-class technical and commercial team of 14. We have disruptive IP, a real working product that plays into a massive market opportunity, a world-class team, and have already built significant momentum. And we leave you with one final thought. Intelligence isn't artificial. Intelligence is natural.